Hey guys, so in this lecture we are going to learn about the selection using the pen tool. Okay, so in the Photoshop the pen tool is the most commonly used for selection, and also if you want to select a detailed object, so we'll suggest this one. So we can use pen tool in multiple purposes, just like this is our pen tool. So I can create a object with this, just like this is a random object, or you can make it as a shape. So this is my shape. You can just select your object and you can select anything, just don't fill. And your stroke, this is your stroke size. This, as you see, this is a stroke color. So you can get multiple things. Now this is my object and you can change this object also. Just select again pen tool and you can see here this is the corners you have created, and if you want just click, this will just remove it. And if you want to change this one, then just hold down your alt key and you can change this one like this. So, and if you want to just change with this and upside down, increase or decrease, then just hold down the control key and like this you can do things with this. Okay, now come to your this move tool and click. Okay, now pen, move tool. So this is your simple object that we have created using our pen tool. Okay, next is the freedom pen tool. You can just freely create an object like this, a path. Now this is my path. Okay, and you can also create a multiple things using pen tool, just like I'm gonna show you. Just take this one there and you see okay, this is my basic symbol shape. And if you want to you want to select this one, then just press Control Enter, or you can just make a selection and this will make a path. It's like a selected area path, and you can fill multiple things inside this, or you can cut it from your original one. Just press your move tool, just move it, and this will cut this area into the your original image. So you can also use the pen tool like this. Alright, next is the add anchor tool. Okay, this is used just this is my path. Alright, and if I want to add this one here, so this will add like this. So this is how this one will work. And if you want to remove this one, then just hold, maybe you can hold down your alt key, it will remove it, or you can select this one and just click and it will delete your anchor, just like this. Alright, so this is your, and this is convert point tool. Just hold your mouse key and you can convert into the different shape. It's like this. So the okay, this is my the path that I have created, and using the pen tool I'm gonna make it a shape. Okay, now this is my field and I don't want to use a stroke, and my field color is this one. Okay, now field color is this one. So like this you can create a objects and a selection path using the pen tool. And the one more thing, we can just select a shape also. If I want this paper sparrow from this picture, then I'm going to use the pen tool to make it a perfectly selection. Just select a pen tool here, we will start from here, then just click. Now it's a straight line, then you don't have to place a curve, then just click up to its end. Here you see this one is left. Okay, so we will use into the feather, or you can just make a selection again with the corners like this. Okay, now this is the perfect corner like this. This is also simple. This is also straight line. Okay, now this is also straight line, another straight line. You can always remember, like if you're putting this one, then you can, if the line is going straight like this, then you can place up to its end. But if it's the curve, the middle, just like this, here is a curve, then you can place one stop here. Because if you are going to place up to this here, then it will make a straight line from here to here. But we will include this one, so you can uh, make a point from here also. Now to this one, this is a straight line. Okay, you see, then just move it like this with the control key. Okay, now the perfect one. Again, a single click, a single click, click, another click, and this is one another click, one click. Okay, see. Okay, this will be from outside. Then now just hold down your control key and just move it like this. Okay, this zoom up, and I want uh, this part also, so let's just press Ctrl Z, and now here this will, I will select this one too, and the control key. Okay, perfect. Now everything is to perfect this time. Alright, now click, 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 and this one. Now we have selected our sparrow. Now this is my path, and just make a selection. Control Enter. Alright, and now press Control J, and now this will be the my sparrow path, as you see, and my sparrow has been cut out from my original one, and I will place my sparrow to here. So just your move tool, you can place your sparrow to here. So this is the easy one. You can easily cut out any image from your original one, and you can use it from into the another part. So that's how we can use a pen tool in our selections.